Lahat ng housemates nandito. Mariel, buksan mo to sa... Bilisan mo, please.
Oh, totoo?
Bilisan mo, please.
Oh my God! I'm gonna die!
Ayaw mo?
Oh my Well, I wasn't prepared for it like you guys.
Nobody is. Nobody was. Oh,
Talaga.
15!
No.
Yay!
Teka muna. Work
What work?
and stuff.
Ano?
Huh?
Hindi ka prepared.
No, my life.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God, I knew it. I knew it talaga. I knew it. I told all of you, you guys were gonna do this to me today.
Okay.
Sabi niya na, di ba you're going inside the house?
At this point, na hindi pa talaga matanggap ni Mariel na siya ay isang housemate. At ako personally, hindi ko pa rin talaga matanggap na siya ay housemate. Kung pwede ko lang ikwento sa inyo na buong hapon, buong linggo, nagsasabi na siya sa akin sa makeup room na natatakot siya na gagawin siyang housemate. Tapos kino-comfort ko pa siya na hindi. Pero ayan na nga, ang bagong twist ni Kuya. Kuya, lagi mo kaming sinusurprise. Well, mga kapamilya, kung akala nyo ay kompleto na ang ating mga housemates, na this time, 30 na sila, including si Mariel, pues nagkakamali kayo dyan dahil mamaya, sa prime time, ay may isa pang papasok sa bahay ni Kuya. Live na live kasama ni Tony Gonzaga. At para bigyan kayo ng patikim kung sino ang papasok, panoorin natin to. Uber sa excitement, Uber sa shock, Uber sa lahat na Uber sa saya ang mga kaganapan sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Pero wala talagang details ang surprises mo, Kuya, dahil bukas ipapakita namin sa inyo ang magiging reaction ni Mariel kapag pinaalam na sa kanya ni Kuya na siya ay officially isa ring housemate para sa Celebrity Edition 2. Hindi niya dapat palampasin ito, kaya tumutok sa bago nating tambayan tuwing alas 5:30 ng hapon. Ito ang Uber!
Thank you. Oh my God.
Wow.
Even your makeup.
15.
Lahat. Wala akong anything. Okay lang. No, they're gonna give me. They better give me. When are they gonna... So, anong gagawin na? What are you guys doing?
Ano task natin Friday?
Ito.
Kailangan gumawa ng...
At least we both have mics.
Yeah. Until
It needs to
Friday
go
na
in.
lang.
I can't believe I'm here. I can't believe I'm here.
We're gonna cherish how you smell today because malamang after
Kaya
a week,
hindi
you're
ka
gonna
rin
smell like us na rin.
Ate, hindi ka rin sinabihan ng mga room.
She really smells so
Wala
good,
ako.
no? I just wanna be beside her the whole time.
It's like, the outside world.
You smell like sin. You smell like sin. Kidding.
It's okay.
I mean, the good kind of sin, you know what I mean?
Scary ni Baron, pare. Ang scary mo, Jo. Galing mo.
How nice yung eyelashes, hindi ko siya napansin ng launch. How nice, hindi mo siya
Tabi ka kay...
So what do? I don't know what to do. I'm really happy. No, they're not watching. Yes, of course. I know. You came out from the suitcase.
Pare yung bed.
Thank you. I'm gonna die.
Ate Mariela.
I can't believe this is happening to me.
Yan.
I can't
This is
believe this is
Risa's
happening.
bed, Marilyn, Megan, Sarah, me and Gabby and you and Mom Yayo.
Okay, thank
Tapos
you.
siram ka na lang ng clothes sa akin, siguro naman kasha siya. Kahit mag-tube ka na lang.
Okay lang for now. I'm thinking na they're gonna give me rin naman
Gusto mo,
soon.
kapit ko na yung
I'll
lapel
just-
para hindi ka nahihirapan sa hawak ng mic mo.
Hi, Megan. I can't believe I'm here.
Ate Maria, do you remember Bon? Kaklase mo daw siya sa Isabel. Lala.
She's your friend? Yeah.
May slipper pa ako dito.
Do this thing.
Sige.
Ang ina talaga.
Did you want to go in ba?
I don't think so.
No, because hindi
Maybe
ko naman
if she
alam
has
eh.
preparation, it's
Oo, parang ano, pero...
Malaki ba sa
Siyempre, sanay siya na siya lang yung
nag-host
sa labas, no?
Thank you. Sorry ah.
Ate Mariela.